Have you ever tried receiving dollars from your clients abroad? Maybe through PayPal, Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, or any of those freelancing platforms that you work with, but you get stuck. Why? Because your local bank account says, sorry, we do not do this kind of transfers. Painful, right? You're losing money. You are losing time. You're sitting right there watching great opportunities fly past you because you do not have a US bank account. But what if I told you you can create a fully functional US bank account right here in Africa on your phone for free and in minutes? In today's video, I will show you how to open a US bank account using Cleva, a trusted and secured app designed for Africans like you who want to earn, save, and spend in dollars. No US address? No problem. No SSN? You do not need one. All you need is your smartphone and your identity. And the amazing part about Cleva is you can link this US bank account with so many freelancing apps out there, like Amazon, we have 𝐇𝐎𝐿, we have Fiverr, we have PayPal, we have Payoneer, we have Upwork, and a lot more. So stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you how you can avoid account ban, and I'm also going to show you how you can withdraw this money from your US bank account into your local bank account. Before we go into this video proper, if you do not want to use Cleva to create your US bank account, you can use other apps like �𝐔𝐘𝐒, you can use 𝐵𝐷𝐈𝐒, you can use Payday, and also Cheaper Cash. There are a lot of them. These are just a few. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, then please make sure you click on that like, you subscribe, and you turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on the other videos we upload on this channel. Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. I do not take your efforts for granted. Merci beaucoup. Before we go into creating this US bank account, I want you to prepare these things because these are the things you will be using to create your US bank account. Firstly, prepare your BVN number. Secondly, your driver's license or your international passport or your NIN or your national ID card or your driver's license. You're going to be using one of these identities to create your US bank account. So keep it handy while we go ahead to create this. Before we go into creating this account, let's see the various things you can do using this account. USD banking without borders. Right here, you can receive USD through several platforms: Fiverr, PayPal, Amazon, Wise, Payoneer. You have a lot of them. Also, you can seamlessly convert currencies using this platform, and you can also spend with a virtual USD card, and also you can receive cashback when you transact. So as you can see, this is a great way for you to receive your earnings when you are a freelancer. Look at Upwork, Fiverr, Dell, 𝐇𝐿, Wise, and a lot more platforms that you can transact your money into this account. Now let's click right here on create. Choose your account type. This determines the type of account you'll be getting. Of course, we want an individual account, right? When you click on that, you click right here on I concern, I have read and agreed to Cleva terms of service and policies, and click right here on continue. Country of resident. You will need a government issued ID and address from your country. Now, if you click right here, you select your country. If you do not find your country, that means your country is still coming. Just like Ghana, South Africa, Uganda, these countries are not yet accepted into having an account with this platform. All right, but if you're in Nigeria, just select Nigeria and click on continue. Let's get to know you. Please enter your information as it appears on your government issued ID. Remember, this is your bank account, not any kind of bank account, your international bank account, your US bank account. So make sure you fill the correct information right here: your first name, last name, email, phone number, and the password you'll be using on this platform. When you're done filling your information, come right here and click on continue. Verification code. Please enter the 6-digit code sent to your email address. All right, so go to your email and you copy the code. So this is my code right here. I copy the code and I paste the code right here. Verifying code. It's going to take about a minute. All right, we're all done. Another amazing thing about Cleva is you can use your referral code to make money on this platform. So all you guys have to do is go below there to the comment section and to the description. You click on my code right there, on my referral code, and you create your account with it. So I'll be making money from you, as well as you too can use your own referral code and share with your friends, with your family. And when they are doing transactions using Cleva, you'll be making money. So right here, you put your referral code, which is optional, all right? But please make sure you help me. And if you do not want to put any referral code, you can click right here on skip. Well done, you're almost done. Create security PIN, a 4-digit PIN to secure your Cleva account. So you have to put a 4-digit PIN right here that you'll be using, and then right here, you confirm it. When you're done with your PIN, click right here on create PIN. Security PIN created. You can now use your PIN to secure your Cleva account. Click right here on continue. How did you hear about Cleva? You just have to fill in this final step right here. You can select, definitely you heard from me, so you can put right here friend. You can also put right here YouTube. But I got this information from research. Let me see if there's research right there. Google research. Yes. I had to get the best US account ever that will work for you wherever you are. So click on submit when you're done. You're all set, and that is my name right there. Congratulations to us. Congratulations, you now have a Cleva account. You're one step closer to seamless USD banking. Let's go. Now, this is where we have to fill the information that is most important about your account. Click right here on Let's Go. Enable push notification. You'll be notified when something important happens, such as when you receive a new deposit or make a transfer. Of course, I want it on. I want to always hear when I have an alert in my bank account. Your identity needs to be verified. Click right here to complete KYC. All right, so click right here. Let's verify your identity. Please complete your KYC verification to continue using Cleva. 3 steps to complete KYC. The first one right here is for you to provide your personal information, your legal name, your date of birth, your BVN, etc. And the second is verify your ID, upload your passport, your voter's card, your driver's license, and enter your NIN number. So these are the things you have to prepare before you start creating your Cleva accounts, your US bank account. And the last step is for you to take a selfie, complete the verification with real-time selfie. Now, let's get started. Click right here on Get Started. Right here, you have to tell them about yourself, your legal name, right? Enter your first name, enter middle name and last name. Make sure you do this well. Your date of birth, your nationality, current address. Please enter your Nigerian address. Okay, this one is important. When you're done filling this, click right here on continue. BVN verified successfully. Now click right here on continue. Employment and source of funds. Employment and source of fund. Share more about your occupation and how you expect to use your Cleva account. Now right here, current employment status, you click right here. We have employment, self-employed. Most of you, I know you're freelancer, so you can select right here freelancer. Most recent occupation. Now select any of them right here. We have a lot of occupation, accountant and auditor, actor, aerospace engineer. Just select whatever job you're into, right? Primary purpose of this account. Receive salary from employer, receive payment from freelancing. Of course, we are freelancers, right? But if you're not, then you know what to select right there. Where do you expect most of your payment to come from? You click right here and you select Dell, Rippling, or remote.com Payoneer, Fiverr, Upwork, PayPal, a lot of us want to create this US bank account to link it to our PayPal account. So let's click right here, PayPal. Okay, if you have another, you can also select. Okay, non-US country also is here. We have others and a lot more. Now, I also want to receive from Payoneer and from Fiverr. So those of you that are freelancers, whatever platform you're using, you can mention it right there and you click on done. Now below here, how much do you expect to receive each month? You can select it right here. All right, less than $1,000, $1,000 to $500. Will you receive funds for yourself or on behalf of someone else? Now I will receive funds for myself. Okay, and you click right here on continue. Now, to the next step, I want you guys to be very vigilant when you are putting your ID number. Whether you're using your NIN, your international passport, or your national ID card, either of them, make sure you put in the numbers there very carefully, because Cleva is giving you just 2 times to try. If you try the first time and you don't succeed, the second time you don't succeed, then your accounts will be blocked. So take your time to do this. If you're not sure of the number, make sure when you input it, you look at it again and again before you sign in. Document verification. Please ensure that you have one of the following documents below. We are unable to accept other documents at this time. International passport, driver's license, voter's card, NIN. All right, I want to do an NIN, so I select right here. But if you have your international passport or any of the above, make sure you select that. Now, right here, you have to enter your NIN number. So make sure you don't make a mistake right here. Just fill in your NIN number. So click on continue when you're done with your NIN number. Please be very careful when you're putting in your NIN number. Do not make a mistake because you have just 2 tries. As you could see, I tried the first time and they've told me I have just 1 more try, so I have to be very careful the second time. So the second try with the NIN number was successful, all right? And right here, our NIN is verified. The next thing right here you have to do is to verify your face. So follow the instructions right here and make sure that you get your facial verification correctly. And right here, click on allow. And our KYC verification is pending. It's on the process, so you give it some time. It might actually take 24 hours or less. So head back to your home page and right here on Cleva, congratulations, your KYC verification is successful. Now remember, you can actually download this app from your Google Play or your App Play, and right here request a USD virtual account, and when you do that, it's gonna take up to 24 hours for your accounts to be verified, your USD account. So maybe 24 hours or less, but mine was created in less than 2 hours. All right, yours can take 24 hours, maybe because of network or the amount of people who are requesting for this USD account. And right here, hours after, my USD account is ready. I have my account number, my routing number, and this is what you can actually use to link to your PayPal or to your Upwork and any freelancing platform that you are working on. Easy busy. So it's as simple as that to create a US bank account right here in Africa. So if you're a freelancer and you've been struggling and wondering how you can actually create a US bank account, it is as simple as this. Also, you can link this your bank account to a lot of freelance apps that you are using. Are you using Freelancer? Are you using Fiverr? Are you using Upwork? Are you using TopTal? Are you using Amazon, Payoneer, or whatever freelancing platform you have? You can link Cleva to it, your bank account to it, and then you'll be withdrawing your money. Make sure you follow up on this next video because I'll be showing you how you can link this your US bank account with your PayPal account, and also how you can withdraw your earnings from your US bank account directly into your local bank account. You really do not want to miss out on the next 2 videos I'll be dropping on this platform. So stay tuned and make sure you click on that like, you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell so that when I drop that video, you would definitely be the first to know. Thank you all so much for watching this video till the end. If you fall short anywhere, let me know on the comment section and I'm going to help you. Or you could join our WhatsApp channel, our Telegram channel, our Instagram channel, and you send me a message on either of those channels or directly to my DM, and I will respond to you to help you wherever you fall short in creating your US bank account. Love you all so much. Until next time, stay blessed.